Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just sort of having a YouTube vlog day afternoon and thought I would give you just a quick little lowdown on what's going on around here because I've just been so busy that I haven't had time to do much. Not much at all. I missed you guys. But right now I'm walking to the greenhouse, which is fully shade clothed, and I put up the shade cloth a couple months ago because it was really sunny, and then this summer has just been really cold. But the shade cloth has remained up because I'm finding that most of the plants actually do better in the summer with just like shade, with shade cloth. Back in the day, I would make sure the greenhouse was bright and sunny and air conditioned and temperature controlled and bright as hell in there, and the leaves would burn on the plants. So then just started leaving the shade cloth up, and then last year this is 50%, and then last year I decided to put 50% on the roof and then like another 50%, which equals 75%. And so I had 75% up top and 50% on the sides and the front, and it just seems to work so much better. And I had a really great growing year with my carnivorous plants and orchids and stuff like that with the 75% shade cloth on the roof that I did again this year, and I left it up. Time has got the better of me, and I don't have time to like bring it up and down like I used to. So anyways, let me see if I can turn us around. I don't know if I can turn us around. I can't even turn us around. We're just blogging this way for now, I guess. But yeah, in front of me here is, which used to be the tropical garden, is now my son's vegetable garden. So it's got some onions in and tomatoes in it and some purple cabbage in it. Oh, the sun just came out. It hasn't been out for days. We got a couple rows of carrots here and some Brussels sprouts, some good old Brussels sprouts for the wife. There's some peas back there. They're just starting to come up on that netting there. And yeah, what else? Some lettuce and some radishes. But that is my tropical garden. My son and wife have taken it over for vegetables, which is kind of cool anyways. So yeah, they're working on that garden. And yeah, let's go in the greenhouse. So I'm going in here because I am going to film a video today in the greenhouse, and thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. So let's go in here. It's still always lovely and warm in here, even on a cloudy day in the summertime. The floor is wet because I automatically have the misting system on, but I have a Google in here now. Hey Google, turn off the greenhouse fan.
Okay, turning off the greenhouse fan.
And so that turns off the fans. You can see behind me, they're going to come to a stop. There's a few of them in here. And that's going to make it a little bit easier to hear me. Sorry. What else can we do in here? Hey Google, turn on the greenhouse lights. If that's coming.
Okay, turning the greenhouse lights on. It looks like 2 lights aren't available right now.
2 lights aren't available because they're on the first circuit. So once this light goes on, then the other lights will go on in a few minutes. But yeah, we are going to do a video today on my cephalotus area and my helianthera area, which I've moved just some of them up there. So I redesigned that for good reason, and yeah, we're going to talk a little bit about that today. So we'll check out the cephalotus in the next video, the heliantheras and stuff like that. Just got to wait for the circuits to kick on for the smart switches, because now they have power to run the next batch of lights. It's kind of a weird thing that I have going on for the lights, but it works well for me. And yeah, the misting system was obviously on, so I'm going to do one more command here. Hey Google, turn off the misting system.
You got it, turning the misting system off.
Although the misting system really wasn't on at this exact moment, it was on, which means every 10 minutes it comes on for 10 seconds, and just keeps the humidity really high in here for the summertime. I don't do that for the winter, but I do that for the summertime. So anyways, yeah, that was just sort of a little explanation of I've been busy. I'm sorry I haven't done so many videos, but a little vlog, however you say it, blog video for the greenhouse, for Brad's greenhouse. And hopefully I can get some more videos done. I have a new mic coming, which is going to be fun to use, hopefully a little bit more convenient. Same sort of lapel style, but just a little bit different. So hopefully when that comes, I'll be so excited to use that and give that a try. There'll be some extra videos into the mix as well. But But yeah, so now I'm going to get ready and film a video. So anyways, thanks for watching this short little video here. We talked a little bit about shade cloth. I showed you my Google Home in the greenhouse. Showed you what I did with my tropical garden, turned it into vegetable garden. So it wasn't just like a wasted video. We got a little bit of updates here to see what's going on with everything else. So anyways, I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video in a few minutes. Bye guys.